So today we celebrate the home we built, the skills we learned, and the memories we'll never forget, even if we still do have sawdust in our backpacks.
It's a home. It's your efforts are going to help a family out. So, congratulations, guys.
And all of this, everybody here having a part that made a difference, that changed one family's life. And that's how it begins. It begins with all of us doing what we can. So a big shout out to everybody here and everybody not here that was part of this project that changed the lives of not only that family, not only our students here, but changed the lives for all of us.
3, 2, 1.
Her part was definitely the nailing because it's so satisfying.
Definitely putting the walls up. From starting out just framing it to actually putting those walls up on the house. It's like it all comes together. Like it's really nice. I don't know. Maybe my career is gonna be in woodworking. Maybe it's gonna be in construction. Whatever it is, I'm happy I got to do the experience here. So at least I go into high school, go into my further life having knowledge of how to build stuff.
I'm gonna remember that this is like one of the first ever things that like no one else in US has done, at least as an 8th grader, and I'm definitely gonna have the feeling that I know that I helped someone, I was a part of a community that helped someone, and it makes me proud.